Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing data and clearing transient glitches. Back up your important files, and then remove the case and any screen protector so you can inspect edges. Once ready, perform a soft reset by holding power and volume down for about 10 to 15 seconds. This restarts drivers and often clears display stuttering. Make sure to note when the glitch occurs, after reboot or during apps, because that timing guides the next steps. Once done with the soft reset, update the OS and apps to eliminate known bugs. Go to Settings System Software Update and install pending patches. Then boot into safe mode by holding power, long pressing power off, and tapping safe mode. This disables third-party apps so you can see if the glitch persists. If the screen is stable in safe mode, uninstall recent apps or disable floating overlays because those often interfere with GPU or touch drivers. If software steps fail, you move to hardware checks. Power down, remove the SIM tray and inspect ports for moisture or debris. Look for pressure marks or peeling at the panel edges that indicate physical damage. If connectors are accessible and you're confident, reseat them. Otherwise, proceed to a factory reset only after a full backup because it erases data. If glitches persist after reset, contact authorized service or replace the display module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.